ways in which wealth is acquired in traditional African societies.
You get wealthy by barter. You remember during the traditional African society, you could be able to trade your goods. It was called barter what? Trade, whereby it was goods for goods. And then through exploitation of natural resources. An example of a natural resource is what? Yes? Any natural vegetation like medicinal herbs, building materials, seeds, making beads. Also through presents, you could get presents or tokens, especially if you, yes, if you did something good, you could be able to be given a gift of wealth. You can be given like 20 cows as a present, and instantly you acquire what? You acquire wealth. Sit down.
African communities believe that wealth is a blessing from God. God provides human beings with food, rain, cattle, and other basic needs. Basic needs. This means that all human beings depend on God for their survival. Children are considered a blessing from God. Therefore, people prayed to God to bless them with many children. So God here blesses you with a gift like children. Children are also blessings from God, and through inheritance from bride wealth, selling your girl to another man, for like cows, goats, and such livestock. Farming produce is also a gift from God, like maize, those family produce, by raiding other communities for livestock. In traditional African communities, farming is the main economic activity, where pastoralists community work hard to ensure that they have a large herd of animals like cows and goats for bride wealth, and which provide food, bride wealth, and for exchange of goods. Through exchange of goods and services,